Last week while in Vegas, I got a call from Tyler. Something happened with the frame that we just took apart. He's saying that it's not usable, so I want to go over there, kind of find out exactly what happened with that frame, and we're going to work on the project a little bit.
Not true, you look great. You look better than you looked last week. I'm just kidding.
I bet I do, because I don't have a big split in my face.
All right, dude, so hit me with the bad news. So what happened? Why are we back to this frame, and where's the other frame?
The other frame is gone. It went to the scrapyard.
What happened to it?
Right under here,
Yep.
this main piece of the frame on both sides cracked right in here and completely split.
Man,
look, it's not worth welding.
You know what, dude? Luckily, we didn't spend like 7 hours taking it apart. You know what I mean?
All right, Ray, I hope you're enjoying your trip out there to Vegas. I'm gonna give you a quick update. I've stripped a lot of this stuff off the bottom, still thinking that this frame that we started on was in good enough shape. However, I discovered today there are far more structural issues making this one not worth keeping at all. So we're gonna go ahead and just abandon it.
I knew we had an issue, but I had no idea that Tyler had already lined up someone that can weld this thing together. And I'll show you what's wrong with this one here. It's right here. This is the area where the seat would bolt on, I believe, is what he said. So as you guys can see here, it broke right here. Luckily, the other piece is somewhere around here. And so it'll be somewhat easy for someone to go ahead and just kind of weld this piece together. Luckily, we don't have to strip this one here. We're going to end up using this frame, and this is the one that had all the good, like, suspension parts and cross member. Who helped you? Oh, the other one was lighter, right?
Yeah, getting it out, you helped me.
No. I meant when you took it to the scrap.
It was literally the frame.
Oh, right. That's right. We got it all.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to lift this back into here.
Yep.
And then we're going to roll it.
Yep.
Until it gets, and then we'll lift it. All right, got it. Ready? Let's do this. Oh my gosh, it's like a Power Wheel. Stop, and I think we just lift it.
Yeah, I would see if you can get it from here.
From where? Got it, right here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it from both sides, yep, like that.
Okay, stop there. The last thing we want to do is
break
pop
it?
these welds up here.
Yeah, no, absolutely not. That's what I was worried about. That shit ain't going nowhere.
No, it shouldn't.
Hey, so we understand you have the best welds in Sarasota County, is that true?
As long as you talk to all of my friends.
All right. Listen, I mean, we're about to, the whole world's about to see your welds here.
Oh, jeez.
Dude, this thing is serious.
Yeah, it's a 325 amp water cooled TIG.
So that means we can make some RS3 parts.
You can do anything you want.
Oh, dude. I think I just met my best friend.
Hey!
I'm sorry, Tyler. You know what, dude? I think I need to buy one also to fix my lanai.
Yes.
So, yeah. Yes. Brooke, if you're watching this video, definitely going to need one of these things because our lanai is going to need some work soon.
Oh, yeah. I've already welded the exhaust on the Kooky there. And
here, you guys got to see this.
Weld too, if I think about it hard enough. Vintage 1998, the last model.
Dude, it is a very clean car.
Drifting and all that stuff was all the craze.
And you got a lot of plans for this thing, right?
I have plans, just not a lot of funding. Where is mine? It's out there.
I can't help you with the funding, but I can lend my hands. This thing is sweet. Do you mind if I open the door? So I think he's doing a Titan V8 swap and putting this on a Haltech.
You can see where they started the weld, and it rotted in right here. So it was thinner material ready. So we'll probably have to bring that weld out all the way up to there, or clean that all that oxidation off. It's going to be a fun project.
We told his wife it was going to take 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Yeah, maybe 5 minutes to set it up.
I thought you knew what you were doing.
No, I got to train you, and I got to...
Dude, you know what that box looks like? If my wife were to buy me a toolbox on Amazon, that's what would probably show up. Look how little that thing is. It's freaking awesome.
It's all my little TIG welding bits in here.
And it matches the welder.
That's why I bought it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how annoying am I?
Somewhere around a 9.5.
Perfect. Let's see how good you are at this. Dude, those glasses look so good on you. We should polish the whole frame now. Dude, look at that. That looks brand new.
That's a little bit of time.
What do you think? You think you could do the whole frame?
Couple weeks, sure.
It's so weird to see you actually do work, Tyler.
Yeah.
Don't get that excited. We're gonna keep it bare minimum here.
I'm gonna take videos on it so your wife can see the proof.
I thought the tire popped.
I heard it also.
I'm not that.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, dude, how much do you weigh? I heard it went.
You're not gonna want that there.
How much boost are you running in this thing right here?
How much boost?
Yeah.
Right now we're at 5,000 pounds.
5,000 PSI? Holy moly, dude.
Yeah. Oh, no, sorry, that's KPA.
Oh, so what's that?
750 pounds.
750 pounds? Not bad. I bet you this thing hauls ass. This thing is sweet though, man. I mean, it looks like it's a lot of value for the money.
It's amazing, and the customability, and you can't really see what's going on here, but like you can set this thing to do almost anything. And they have videos on it as well online, which is really, really helpful because the last one is literally on, off, set the amperage and go and hope for the best. This one is light years and millennium better than that.
Dude, I think I'm gonna it's for what I need it for, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's probably more than I'll ever need.
Oh,
From another cart that I scrapped.
okay.
And to avoid this in the future, I wanted to get this put in, but then support it underneath here somehow.
I would say weld that on the bottom first.
Yep.
Weld it
Because
to it.
welding upside down is a nightmare, man.
Correct.
Okay, I'll take your word on it.
So if you wanted to weld that on there, let's like clamp that on or something, or figure out where it's going to be before we.
So I need
Like, do you want to grind that down at all? Is this going to be in the way of a seat or anything, or?
I'm thinking, no, if I keep it under here, it won't be.
Okay.
So yes, there is obviously the seat that sits here, but it goes out this way.
Got it.
And then it's wide
Yeah.
over here as well. So no, it really shouldn't be. I should be able to go this way as far as I want.
Okay.
It shouldn't matter.
Yeah, let's.
But what I do need to do is do
Clean. Yep.
fabrication or bending.
Yeah.
There. Got all these holes. Why do you got holes in here? Because it's.
He was practicing his drill skills.
How about we just not?
Dude, look at that. Yeah, how about we just use that?
God, I didn't know you had scraps.
With no holes.
Right?
Like your energy right now, it's like what people want to watch on YouTube, which is freaking wild.
It's like
That you don't feel comfortable, but yet you're pretty damn good at something you don't even know you're good at.
I've been looking for one of those my whole life. I gotta be good at something. Somebody's gotta pay me to be good at something that I can just naturally do, and I don't have to study for like 6 years and go to school.
There you go, dude. Look at that.
I tried sewage. I suck at that. It's not good.
What do you guys think? He needs his own channel. Don't you guys agree? What's interesting is the person that actually welded this frame did a shitty job. That doesn't look good.
Let's go back to 1997. We'll go up to Augusta, Georgia. Yell at somebody. What are you gonna buy?
That looks like, oh, dude, look at that. That looks like it came from the manufacturer.
It did.
I can't see shit.
Neither can I. I'm covering my eyes.
What could possibly go wrong? Now I will take my little stick of death.
Oh, okay, I gotta go.
Did it get hot?
God,
It's good now. It's good.
Dude, your glove is smoking.
I was doing my best to hold through the pain.
I couldn't see because I had my eyes closed.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
How's it looking? Let me see. It's close.
Hole at the
Yep.
inner of the hole.
Yeah. Right there.
Right there.
So that's
1
it.
inch.
That's it.
Yep.
Sweet. Hello. So I'll weld her on the back side.
Somehow.
Now it matches the stock welds. I'm surprised they didn't put a brace there from the factory. You know what I mean? Like it's just kind of.
some morbidly obese woman trying to golf is going to be sitting in here, and they're going to obviously go off the freaking.
Well, it's just the hills and the
hills and
jumps and
bumps.
everything else. Hell yeah, dude! Like, you, yeah.
Spot.
We're actually at my house. We're gonna get ready to pressure wash this thing. You want to see the setup? Have you seen this? Dude, look how easy this is, man. This is like one of the best things I've done in the garage. Just throw that in there. We'll grab one of these tips. But
I want my frame spotless.
we don't need a spotless system. Turn on the pressure washer. Ready? It's actually cleaned up really, really nice. Tyler's gonna take the wire wheel to it, but compared to what it looked like earlier, it's all nice and solid now. We are ready.
Stator, right here. This
Yep.
is the stator of the motor, obviously has turned because it doesn't move. And it sits in here like this. Look at this. Because this is what mounts to the actual golf cart.
Yep, and that's the part that spins in there.
This is your brush kit here.
Mm-hmm.
So now you kind of got to use your imagination, but you know,
Yep,
that would
yep,
sit
yep,
in there this
yep,
way.
Yep, that goes on top.
And this mounts in here like this. Preserve our data tag here.
Tape,
Simple as that.
Rust-Oleum. Yep, tape, Rust-Oleum.
And of course, same up here. Just kind of wire wheel this, clean it up.
Dude, so I can come up this week and we can start tackling this. Like, you know, I don't know if you want to wire wheel, I wire wheel while you do something else, or if you want to just save the harness, one of us works on the harness while the other on wire wheels, whatever we got to do. I think we can definitely get it done this week. I mean, how bad is this factory harness? Outside of the
It's all
rig,
all the connection pieces.
Oh, they're all burnt. Yeah, replace them. Yeah, because these are just dry rotted.
And this is where a lot of your money is, right? These,
Yep. And dude, feel this wire. This wire is already crispy.
This is not automotive wire.
No,
This
that
is
looks
not-
like it's from an extension cord, like a lamp.
That's exactly what it is. Which
Yeah.
automotive wire is not too far off.
No, but
The
still.
insulation isn't-
Well, it's also, right, and it's also, that's not designed for weather.
Yeah. So I hope that's doing in good shape for me. It works good. That's another big item. That's the actual foot pedal regulator.
Yep.
As you can hear, if you listen to it, it's got the switch in there.
Oh, yeah.
And then that, another expensive item. This guy.
This should be good.
I'm thinking so.
Yeah, and this is all watertight, that box. Hell yeah. Success.
A little dirty.